Hey everyone, it's Professor Eskew. I wanted to do my introductory video as well and post it to the Blackboard. So, you know that I'm the instructor for this class. So let me give you a little bit of background about myself. I'm from Cal. Hey everybody, it's Professor Eskew. I just wanted to make a quick introductory victory. Hi everybody, this is Professor Eskew. I just wanted to make my introductory video as well. So I'll give you a little information. I've been with Mesa just a little over 5 years. This was my tenure year and we'll be receiving tenure, so that's a good thing. I come from Ohio, Columbus area, born and raised there, so I didn't move out to San Diego until about 6 years ago and thought I was retired, but fortunately for me, I met somebody who was the Dean of Business at Mesa and started adjuncting. I used to be an adjunct back in Ohio as well, and just fell in love with Mesa and the students and the whole environment out there. So now I'm here full time. Education-wise, I have a bachelor's degree in computer systems and accounting. It was a dual major. I have a second bachelor's degree in leadership. I have my MBA. I also have my Master's of Arts and Science in accounting. So I like education quite a bit. I like school. I like learning, constantly keeping myself relevant and reinventing myself. So thinking right now about moving on for my EDD, which is my doctorate in education. So we'll see about that. Industry. I was in industry before I was even an adjunct. I was in the financial industry for about 27 years, and most of my time I spent in financial institutions, some on the credit side, but most on the commercial side. So when I left the industry 7 years prior to leaving, we actually started our own community bank. I was with a regional bank for many, many years. I was a senior VP and a regional credit officer. But when I moved and created the bank, I was senior vice president and chief credit officer. So I oversaw all of the operations, all of the policies and procedures. I actually wrote them for the bank. All of the lending functions, retail and commercial, consumer as well. It was my responsibility. Then I sat on the board and all of those types of things. So, my beginnings were very humble. I actually started out as a teller in a bank and worked my way all the way up, even with a 4-year degree. So there is some benefit from starting from the ground up and learning all of the operations within whatever institution or industry you choose to go. Hobbies, I love reading. I live very close to some trails, so I would do a lot of hiking. We have 2 dogs. They're rescue dogs. Mac. Mac is a Husky Chow mix. He's blind. And then we have Sammy, and Sammy is a Dalmatian Basset Hound mix, and he's quite the character. He's got one blue eye, one brown eye. I enjoy music, going to the theater, going to movies in a movie theater, going out to eat once in a while. Other than that, I keep really busy at Mesa and doing a lot of things. So that's a little bit about myself. I'm anxious to see some of your videos and get to know all you guys. I know we're only together for a short time, but that should be pretty great. So I'm not going to take any more of your time. I know that I've went over my 2 minutes. So have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.